Ultimate Sea Coaster. The very first roller coaster at sea, Bolt, is here on the Carnival Mardi Gras. Bolt was engineered and manufactured by Maurer Rides. Maurer Rides is responsible for giving us, in the United States, X-Coaster at Magic Springs, Whirlwind at Seabreeze, Laugh Track at Hershey Park, and also the late Hollywood Rip Ride Rocket at Universal Studios Orlando. Bolt is Maurer Rides' first generation spike coaster. The spike coaster allows for a different type of experience, various experiences on the same coaster by being able to adjust the speeds. The power for the ride is generated through these, or is passed on to the car by these cables and connectors on the side of the track. That's what supplies the energy to the car. A wheel on the car with teeth that interlocks with the teeth on the track that propels the ride. Deck 18 is the ultimate playground. This is where the entrance to Bolt is. It is a $15 charge per ride per guest, and you have to reserve your spot on the app, on the Carnival Fun app, and they'll let you up when it's your time. This is where you board the cars. It's a pretty good jolt when you take off. Bolt has nearly 800 feet of track, and it makes 2 complete cycles. Bolt also reaches a speed of nearly 40 miles per hour, which might not seem too thrilling, but at 187 feet above sea level, the views are incredible. There's nothing like it. To me, $15 is definitely worth it for the views that you get. It's not the most thrilling coaster I've ever ridden, of course, but the experience is unlike any other. Just amazing. The coolest part of this coaster is the launch right here out of the station. It is so quick. It takes you by surprise. Then after you leave the launch, you go into the helix here, which is really cool. That's where you get the best views of the ocean. So after riding Bolt, my honest opinion is I think it's worth the $15 simply because of the views that you get of the ocean. To a roller coaster enthusiast, it's not really thrilling, but it's got a couple of good launches. There's nothing like being 187 feet above the sea and getting 360-degree view of the ocean. Is so cool. It's a shame Bolt closes before it gets dark, because that would be so incredible to get some night rides underneath the moon in the middle of the ocean on Bolt. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, and God bless.